Revolutionary greetings, Ma-Afrika. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Lehlohonolo Bantu Wanda Mahlatsi, the President of the United African Transformation. I stand before you to address the matter of significant importance concerning the United African Transformation's relations with the GNU and the African National Congress. As you are aware, the UAT has been in discussion with ANC regarding our potential participation in the GNU. During our initial meeting on the 25th of June 2024, the ANC assured us that they will return with a response to our request before we join the GNU. Both parties took a resolution that no party should issue a media statement until the parties received a signed statement from the Office of the Secretary General of the ANC. Regrettably, despite this assurance, the ANC has not provided any necessary clarity and follow-through on the commitment. We were surprised and disappointed to hear the President of the Republic of South Africa announce that the GNU is inclusive of all 11 political parties, including the United African Transformation, without any formal conclusion on our talks. This announcement was made without prior consultation or an agreement with us, leading to confusion and raising serious concern about the integrity and the transparency of the process. On the 1st of July 2024, we wrote the letter to the Secretary General of ANC to seek clarity on the matter, but he chose to ignore us as the personal assistant did acknowledge the email. We then referred the matter to the Chief Whip in the Parliament, and we are yet to receive any response. In light of the ANC's failure to provide clarity and fulfill their commitment, the UAT has decided to distance itself from the GNU. We believe it is crucial to uphold principle of honesty, accountability, transparency, which is a cornerstone of a functional and trustworthy government. Our decision to step back from the GNU is not to be taken lightly. It reflects our commitment to our Pan-African values and the trust placed in us by our supporters, the doers. We cannot, in good conscience, be a part of a government that does not engage in good faith negotiations and honor its promises. The UAT will continue to serve the people as a progressive opposition party. We will hold the government accountable and advocate for interest of the well-being of the citizens. Our commitment to African programs, hunger, land, transformation, justice, equitable development remain unwavering. So with that, the UAT, it is not part of GNU. Thank you, South Africans.